Hello everybody, Tiny Home Adventurer. I'm out walking with my grandson and TT. I'm gonna let y'all see it in 1 minute. I wanted you guys to see these beans right here. This is a no-till field too. I think you guys can see the beans. Can you see the beans?
Yeah, we did a good job.
Yeah, they did it. He helped plant it. You planted this field too? Did you drive the tractor?
Load up all the beans and stuff.
There's TT right here. I decided to take her for a walk. She prancing. You said you loaded the planters right up in here?
I loaded every field. So we got this, that, and we got that at the house.
Beautiful sky, y'all. I came to say hello to you all out there in that world. And I know you guys see my hat. Can you see my hat? Haha. Okay, is this? Oh, these are planted too. Did they plant this at the same time they planted that over here? Those are taller. Those are younger. Those are taller. Look at TT. Look at TT. That's my TT. That's my TT. Huh?
You got spots on, you get this spring.
Yeah. It's gonna come. It's going.
Look at them muscles. Look at them muscles though.
This a tough dog right here.
Take her to the shop.
That's a tough dog, ain't it? Ain't it? TT. Ain't it, TTB? Look at TT. Ow! Ow! Your claws are sticking me. Your claws! Your paws! Your silly paws!
Hey, girl, come on. Come on to the road, come on.
I think crawfish season is over with. Hold her. Here come a car. Hold her when it comes down.
I should have parked it at the house. Did they go fast?
I don't want them to get a hold of TT. Did you say hello? Tay, say hello. You say what up? No, you didn't.
You first started the video.
No, you didn't. I didn't hear you say it. You know, did y'all hear him say hello? Just in case you didn't, say hello.
I said it.
Say it again.
I don't like repeating myself.
Say it, boy, if you don't. You better be glad he on this camera. I don't know. You got him? You got her? Everybody wave down here. That's the chief of police from Lake Providence, Louisiana, I think.
Not Louisiana, that's East Carroll.
That's Lake Providence.
East Carroll.
East Carroll is Lake Providence.
Yeah, and us too.
And us too. Yeah, we're East Carroll Parish. Yes, we are East Carroll Parish. He gonna say that's East Carroll. He gonna say it's East Carroll Parish. I'm gonna wonder, what am I, Madison Parish? East Carroll Parish. East Carroll Parish for us. Louisiana, you know, Louisiana is the only one that has parishes.
Everybody else got different.
Yep. wish the chief of police would stop by here. Did he go down to Pig's house?
Huh?
Did he go to Pig's house?
I went to the house.
Oh, okay. I was gonna, if he passed back by, I'm gonna let y'all see the chief of police. I think it's chief of police. Or is he the sheriff? I think he's the sheriff. Yeah, I think he's the sheriff. My bad.
I mean, me and Joe, we had hunting. And the deer ran right through here.
I remember coming in this yard. If y'all look very closely, it's a house back there. But you know what? I would advise anybody, if you get a house there, you better build it up. Because every time it rains, it floods. Went to that house many days right there. That's some good wood you could burn. Make a good barnyard fire in the evening time. Once that wood get dry, make a nice little fire. Because those limbs are broken. Maybe I'll come down here and get this wood because I didn't see this wood. All this is broken. I think it's from the trees that fell from up here. Look how beautiful that is when you look at it in the camera. Look at TT ears. Yes, she got some floppy ears. TT! Come on, TT. Come on, TT. Come on, TT. Look at it. Yeah. Look, and then they go back. Is that how your dog do? The ears go back or they were cut?
It is my dog.
No, I'm talking about the daddy.
Oh, all dogs do that.
His ears go back.
All dogs got ears like that.
They go back?
I don't think the hound dog.
I don't think all of them, like you say, I don't think they all go back. Now there go a gazebo right there. I remember when she had that built. What? Sure do. My truck is way down there and you can use the remote all the way from that back here. I'll let you know I can go a distance and lock my car. I wonder, can I go way down there and lock my car up? Okay, this is planted. That's a no-till. No-till, no-till. And you can see how the beans came up right there. I just can't wait for you guys to see it. I can't wait for you guys to see the end results.
Let's try it now.
Yeah. Man, he's going the other way. I wish he was coming this way. I was going to let you guys say hi to him. Look, this right here, they broke the land here. They didn't do no till on this field right here. And then they planted it. It looks beautiful across there. You can do it that way, or you can do it this way. This way saves you a whole lot of money and time. This way saves you the beauty. This makes it look beautiful from the beginning. So you don't have to worry about them tea weeds and cut the bugs and all. There. Okay, you all. If you looked at the footage before, you'll see just how muddy I am, okay? I'm still in the mud, right? And then I'm walking to the cotton field and the corn field and the cotton field, the bean field. You name what field I'm in the field. But my son got me on the four-wheeler, y'all. If I only knew what I know now, I wouldn't have never got on there. So if you see mud everywhere, because I was on that four-wheeler. But you all, I did have to bring some more footage to you all besides the embarrassing moment on the four-wheeler. How do he take me and put me on the four-wheeler like that? I could have failed, y'all. But oh no, He still took me in the ditch and came back up through the ditch. When I look back at that footage, I couldn't believe. But my sister-in-law gonna tell me, you held on to that hat, didn't you? Yeah, I did. But here's, you guys, look at the cotton. It just rained not too long ago. So I wanted to come and bring you guys while I was out here in the muddy field already, in the ditch with mud. I said I'm gonna show you guys just how beautiful this cotton is. This is cotton over here. This is beans over here. You remember when I brought you guys to the cotton field the other day? Look how tall it has gotten. I'm just in a whole lot of mud right now. And I can barely walk. If you guys see my feet, you would understand. Beautiful. Cotton loves a lot of sunlight. I think I told you all that. It eats up the sun. Can you all hear the birds? Over here, that looks like no-till too. But by me at this angle, I don't see any beans. So gradually, daily, I come back here and you guys come back here with me. God, this is beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. If you guys could just, it's beautiful on camera. Just imagine how it looks without the camera. I don't know. My son got me on that four-wheeler, y'all. I thought for sure I was on one of them rides at the fair, but I knew I didn't have no kind of protection. No safety gear, y'all. I have no safety gear. I had no safety gear. And I'm hanging on. Only thing I had was my hat and the dice. That was it. And he takes me on a ride like that. Now just look at me. I had on a white shirt. My hat was even clean. Now I gotta go and clean my hat up, y'all. So, let me see, can I get a good aim at the bean field. See how big the beans have gotten. It almost makes me want to take my shoes off. But then I'm going to have mud between my toes. But it wouldn't bother me. I didn't did it before. I say all country, I'm all country. I can come out here with no shoes on and it wouldn't bother me. Now look at these beans right here. These are soybeans right here. Soybeans right here. Cotton over there. So I'll be in the cotton field a lot since I just got it by the backyard. I didn't have a chance to go and do video like I wanted to with the cotton because I wasn't in the country like I am now. So every day I will be bringing footage of the cotton, the corn, and the soybeans. I'm trying to walk on this hay because as long as you walk on the dry grass, you don't pick up mud on your feet. Huff and puff and blow your house down. I remember one little pig had a house of straw. So as long as I'm walking on straw, I'm all right for the time being until the wind blows my house down. Okay, you all, how's everybody out there doing in that great big old that world? Don't you guys love to be breathing? Like Snoop Dogg said, if you're breathing, you achieving. If you're breathing, you achieving. And it's a blessing just to be able to breathe, y'all. Let somebody take your oxygen away and you see just how blessed you are. You are blessed. No matter what situation you find yourself into, you are so blessed. Better than blessed. Thank you, Lord. I'm still trying to get over to this dry part. You all, TT is okay. I don't know if you've seen the footage or not. But she's fine. We went walking earlier. I don't know if I'm gonna put up that video, that footage of her walking with this video or not. There go Ice sitting right there. He walked with me. They go a certain limit with me and then they stop. They don't come too far back here. I try to walk back here because, like I said, I can't let my cats walk on the road with me because they will walk on the road with me. But for their safety purposes, I walk back here. And good I do because I get a chance to see the cotton too. Let me see y'all. Do y'all see how dirty my hat is? Do you see it? Y'all see how dirty it is? Y'all see how dirty I am? My child, I don't know if you guys know this, but I have a girl and I have a boy. A daughter and a son. My daughter is not as playful as my son. My daughter is just like her dad. He is the person that does not play. He's serious-minded, I mean stern. You would have thought he would have been a lieutenant. My son, he's a daredevil. Me and him, we'll do some crazy things. I think about the only thing that we don't have in common is I mostly eat practically anything. I really do. I'm serious. If somebody told me and they sat down and ate it, I would actually sit there and eat it too. A snake, turtle, a lizard, a bird. I'm up for it. If it looks presentable and you bring it to me presentable, yeah, I try it. Now, my daughter and her dad, they ain't about to try nothing new. They're gonna stay with their meat and potatoes. What they're familiar with. I don't like that. That don't look right. Me, let me go try some of that. People say that Chinese food have cats and dogs in it. This is what I told somebody. That show was some good old cat and dog. It really was good. It don't bother me. But you'll see me and my son doing a whole lot of things together. My daughter, you're not going to see her too much because she don't play. And you'll see me with my grandkids. Their father, well, every now and then you might see him in some videos, but I'm very rare. I'm not around him. So I very rarely get a chance to see him. And when I do catch him in the field, I try to run outside and catch him. But it's very rare, y'all. There's some more beans. Y'all, I'm trying to get through this mud with flip-flops on. Who gonna need a bath? I'm gonna need a bath, I'm gonna need a shower. Let me tell you something about something. If it was playing in mud, riding four-wheelers, if I knew how to ride one and go in the mud, I am the #1 to do it. As long as soap and water is out there, you can always take a bath. Lighten up, have a little bit of fun. Some of these people wouldn't dare do the things I do. They're kind of sedity like my husband was, like he is, ex-husband. But me, I'm up for a try for mostly everything. Look, if you see Ice hair is standing up on his back because he's aware. His hair doesn't do that. So by him looking like that, I'm being cautious because animals know stuff before you know it. Ice knows something. See, the hair doesn't be like that. See, he was finna lay down so I can come pet him. But he jumped back up because his surroundings ain't really good for him. Don't forget to like and share. And leave your comment. And hit that notification button.